When it comes to a confrontation over a wild boar, the wolf has to give in. One short swipe of the bear's paw could be fatal. A scene which might just as easily take place in the wild. But in this case, the protagonists belong to Zoltan Horkai's team of animal actors. The Hungarian keeps a tight grip on his cast and makes sure things won't get out of hand. Slovenia has become a haven for many species that were once widespread all over Europe. Among them, large predators like the wolf and the brown bear. But as they share the